Take a moment to sit or lie down and be as comfortable as you can be. To sink into comfort more deeply, I recommend lying down and loosening your clothes if they feel tight. While you are getting comfortable in your position, note that this guided meditation for somatic quieting can help you release emotions like anger, anxiety, or past trauma by connecting you with a deep sense of joy, safety, and stillness. You can practice this mindful session in the morning to welcome positive energy for the day ahead, in the evening to let go of the day's stress and tension, or before sleep to ease into restful night. When you are ready, gently close your eyes and take some slow and deep breath. Breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now breathe in deeply through your nose when you hear me say in. Hold this breath gently when you hear the word hold, and exhale slowly and completely through your mouth every time you hear me saying out. In. Hold. 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 Out. Now, allow allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. Now, gently bring your focus to the muscles in your face. Start with the forehead and move on to the temples, the eyes, cheeks, mouth, tongue, and jaw. Just by focusing these areas, feel these muscles begin release any tension they've been holding. Release tension from your forehead. Release tension from your temples. Release tension from your eyes. Release tension from your cheeks. Release tension from your mouth. Release tension from your tongue. And release tension from your jaw. Imagine these muscles switching off, easing and relaxing. Move your focus to your neck, shoulders, upper arms, elbows, lower arms, wrists, hands and fingers. Simply by directing your focus to those areas, they begin to release any tension they've been holding. Release tension from your neck. Release tension from your shoulders. Release tension from your upper arms. Release tension from your elbows. Release tension from your lower arms. Release tension from your wrists. Release tension from your hands and fingers. Let them relax and rest in this moment. Bring your focus to your chest, stomach, upper back, lower back, and your hips. Simply by moving your focus to those areas, they begin to release any tension they've been holding. Release tension from your chest. Release tension from your stomach. Release tension from your upper back. Release tension from your lower back. Release tension from your hips. Picture these muscles switching off, easing and relaxing. Move your focus to your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, heels, your feet and toes. Simply by bringing your focus to those areas, they begin to release any tension they've been holding. Release tension from your thighs. Release tension from your knees. Release tension from your calves. Release tension from your ankles. Release tension from your heels. Release tension from your feet and toes. Let them ease and relax. Imagine that your body is sinking down into the chair or the bed, feeling as heavy as lead. In a short moment, I'll count from 10 to 1, and you'll become 10% more relaxed with each descending number. As I count, let go of any tension or thought, simply allowing each number to ease you further. Be ready to pay more and more attention to all those sensations. 10, 9. Feel yourself drifting down into relaxation. 8, 7. Drifting deeper and deeper into the safety of your inner world. 6, 5. Sinking deeper and deeper into the warmth of your peaceful self. 4, 3. Deeper and deeper, still and relaxed. 2, 1. You are at the deepest level of peaceful stillness. As you drift here in your own time and space, your mind may wander, and that's perfectly fine. Wherever your thoughts take you, my voice will be there drifting with you. Soon you'll hear me saying, "Now." Each time I say it, imagine a wave of relaxation flowing through your body. It starts at the top of your head and moves down to your toes. Feel it washing away any remaining tension, and your body sinks a little deeper, feeling heavier and more comfortable. At some point, your body becomes so perfectly comfortable that you may no longer be aware of your body. Now you are slowing down, diving deeper, and feeling increasingly at ease. Now let the sound and sensation flow through you, releasing tension and relaxing you more and more. Now you are opening up to new possibilities, new suggestions. Now you find that your mind is open and receptive to positive change. Now, your mind is quiet, all the noise inside your head, all the voices going at the back of your mind simply disappear. You're at the quietest place in the universe. Stay here and enjoy this quietness for a few moments. Embrace the peace and quiet within. You are at the safest place in the universe. Here you have no anxiety, no pain, no stress. This is the way you want to live. You feel joy, safety, and stillness as you stay here with your true self. Here you are complete, far from the fear of uncertainties and full of happiness. This is how you'll feel when you choose to. This is the way you meant to live, right here, fully present and alive. Your mind is peaceful, quiet, and attracted only to the good energy around you. Whenever you find yourself lost, your mind will remember this moment, and all your stress, fear, and tension will dissolve into the air. As we come to the end of this session, follow my voice to wake up if you choose to. I will count from 1 to 10, and at 10, you will be wide awake. 1, 2, and 3. You are coming back up from the depths of your inner self. 4, and 5. Wiggle your fingers and feel your body waking up from a deep and relaxing state. 6, 7, 8. If you like, you can now open your eyes. Feel yourself at the edge of reality, fully prepared to face anything. And 9, 10. You are awake, wide awake. Move your body if you want to, or stay here for a bit if you like. If you enjoyed these deeper, calmer, and more relaxing moments with Mint Meditations, please subscribe and check out our other guided meditations. We have so much more for you. Until next time, Take care.